Hello students, we are discussing problems on differential equation in this video which are related to JEE exams, JEE mains exam. Differential equation x dy by dx 2y plus is equal to x square. Initial conditions are given. To solve this differential equation, let us write the differential equation in proper form, that is divide by x dy by dx 2 upon x y is equal to x, which is linear differential equation in y. P is 2 upon x, integration of p dx is 2 integral of log x, integral of that is log of x square, integral 1 upon x that is log x, and 2 log x is log of x square. So integrating factor is e raised to power integral p dx, that is e raised to power log of x square, which is x square only. This is integrating factor. General solution is given by y into integrating factor, integration of q integrating factor. So integrating factor is x square, so y x square integration of q is x into x square dx, which is x cube. Integration of x cube is x to the power 4 upon 4 plus constant of integration c, so which is x square y x to the power 4 upon 4 plus c. So dividing by x square throughout equation will get equation in terms of y. So y is equal to x square by 4 c upon x square. C is to be find out, given that x is 1, y is equal to 1. So substitute here, you will be getting c, that is y is 1, x is 1, and c will be equal to 3 by 4. Therefore y equation of curve will be y is equal to x square upon 4 c is 3 by 4 x square, that is the equation of curve. But we want to find y of 1 by 2. So y of 1 by 2 will be, substitute here x is equal to 1 by 2, and y of 1 by 2 will be, this is 1 upon 16 and plus 3, which is 49 upon 16. That is the third option is correct option. Second question, differential equation is this. Here y of pi by 4 is given, that is 4 by 3, and we need to find y of minus pi by 4. Differential equation is in proper form, that is it is a linear differential equation in y. So 1 upon cos square, will write it sec square only. 3 sec square x is p, so integrating factor is e raised to power p dx, that is 3 sec square x dx. Integral of sec square is tan x, that is 3 tan x. E raised to power 3 tan x is the integrating factor. Solution is given by, general solution is y into integrating factor, integral of q is sec square x, integrating factor dx. So integrating factor is e raised to power 3 tan x. General solution is y integrating factor, integral of q is sec square x, integrating factor e raised to power 3 tan x. Substitute, this is t, so e raised to power 3t, and sec square x dx is dt. Integral e raised to power 3t is e raised to power 3t upon 3 plus c. So general solution is y e raised to power 3 tan x, e raised to power 3t means 3 tan x upon 3 plus c. Substitute x is equal to pi by 4, then y is equal to 4 by 3, this is given. Substitute here x is equal to pi by 4, so it is e raised to power 3 tan of pi by 4. Now y is equal to 1 upon 3, this e raised to power 3 tan x is getting cancelled, and here c upon e raised to power 3 tan x, that is e raised to power minus 3 tan x. Here x is pi by 4, so tan of pi by 4 is 1, that is e raised to power minus 3. So y is equal to 4 by 3 given, so that you'll get c is equal to e raised to power minus 3. Solving this, you'll get c is equal to e raised to power minus 3, and y is equal to 1 by 3. In this equation, 1 by 3, c is e raised to power 3 and e raised to power minus 3 tan x. So therefore y of x is equal to minus pi by 4. Substitute here x is equal to minus pi by 4. So this is minus 1, and this it will be plus 1. So e raised to power 6 it is. This will be the value of y of minus pi by 4, 1 by 3 plus e raised to power 6. So that the first option is correct option. Slope of tangent to the curve is 2y upon x square. So slope of tangent is dy by dx, 2y upon x square. Variable separable form is dy upon y, 2 upon x square into dx. On integrating both sides, dy upon y integration to integration of x raised to power minus 2 dx, so which is log of y, and 2x raised to power minus 1 upon 1. Log y is equal to minus 2 upon x plus c. Now this curve is passing through the center of circle. Center of circle is minus 1 1. Therefore substitute y is 1 and x is 1. Therefore log 1 is equal to minus 2 plus c, and log 1 is 0, so c will be 2. Therefore substitute c is equal to 2 here. Log y is equal to, log y will be equals to minus 2 upon x plus c. C is 2, that is x log y is equal to minus 2 plus 2x, 2 taking common. So required is x log y is equal to 2 times x minus 1 is the required answer. Another question, that is question number 4. Differential equation is given in the linear differential equation form. Dy upon dx 2 upon xy is equal to x, which is linear in y. Integrating factor is e raised to power integral p dx, that is 2 log of x, which is log of x square, and e raised to power log x square is the integrating factor. General solution is given by y into integrating factor is equal to integration of, here is x square q, and integrating factor is x square, and q is x, so it is x cube. Integration is x to the power 4 upon 4 plus c. Simplified, we can find it for y. So for y will be, we divide by x square throughout equation. Y will be equal to x square upon 4 plus c upon x square. We will denote it 1. Initial condition is given that when x is 1, y is equal to 1. Substitute here, you will get c. Y is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1, here x is equal to 1. So c can be found. C will be equal to 1 minus 1 by 4, which is 3 by 4. Then substitute value of c in the equation 1. Value of c in the equation 1, y will be x square upon 4 plus c. C is 3 by 4, 3 by 4 upon x square. So second option is the correct option. The complete solution is this. Given differential equation, we put in the linear differential equation form, that is dy by dx minus sin x upon cos x into y. that is 6x upon cos x, dy by dx minus tan y tan xy 6x upon cos x. Integrating factor is e raised to power minus tan x dx, and it is e raised to power minus log of sec x, that is cos x. So general solution is y into integrating factor, that is cos x, integration of 6x upon cos x and into cos x dx. Y cos x, integration of 6x square upon 2 plus c, y cos x 3x square plus c. So y is 3x square upon cos x plus c cos x. X is pi by 3, then y is 0. Substitute here and you will get 3c is equal to minus pi square upon 3. Substitute c in the equation. Y is equal to 3x square cos x plus c upon cos x, that is minus pi square upon 3 cos x, that is sec x, and this is also sec x. Y of pi by 6 is required. Substitute x is pi by 6 here. 3 pi by 6 square sec pi by 6, pi square by 3 and sec pi by 6. Sec pi by 6 is 2 upon root 3. 2 upon root 3 here we write, so that y of pi by 6 we are getting minus pi square upon 2 root 3 after simplifying. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.